test drive the 2017 Impala. The Impala has been one of America's favorites for over 50 years. Enough said, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, rear parking aid. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.